If I can't even protect my captain's dream, then whatever ambition I have is nothing but talk. Luffy must be the man who will become Pirate King. Anime sword handle umbrella unboxing. Ronoro a Zoro animation design. This is an umbrella with an anime handle. It has many styles, including multiple anime. Product name: Anime Folding Umbrella. Material: polyester, alloy, wood. Number of ribs: 8. Storage length: 36.5 centimeters. Umbrella diameter is about 100 centimeters. Umbrella radius 55 centimeters. Gross weight 400 grams. Feature: 1. Metal gauntlets from the original animation. 2. Metal skeleton, smooth expansion, light and strong. 3. Double layer skeleton. 4. Solid wood umbrella handle. 5. Hand-woven umbrella handle. 6. Give a back storage bag. 7. UV coating, strong shading effect. Available anime character: Tomioka Giyu, Kocho Shinobu, Sugikuni Yorichi, Rengoku Kyujiro, Kamado Tanjiro 2, Agatsuma Zenitsu, Kamado Tanjiro 3, Op Zoro Style 1, Op Zoro Style 2, Op Zoro Style 3, Op Zoro Style 4, Op Zoro Style 5, Inaso, Tokushibo. Subscribe, like and share Soul X Hunter. Shout out to Anime to Go, M&J Connections, Malvarian's team, Winterwind Delenya, Harry Ondevila, Justine Paolo Dappin, Jokang Dappin. Congratulations to the winning Barangay Captain in Kagawad. Thank you for supporting Soul X Hunter.